human fetus development phases, starting from a sperm till the end of the 6th week. We can notice that the fetus doesn't have any human features until it spends 42 nights in the womb. And this is conforming with Prophet Hadith. If a drop of semen spends in the womb 42 nights, Allah will send an angel to it, who depicts it and creates its ears, eyes, skin, flesh, and bones. Notice how the fetus is an uncharacterized drop. Then it's transformed into alaka, a leech-like structure which does not resemble human form. Then mudka, a chewed-like substance not having any human characteristics as well. By the age of 42 days, it starts taking the human shape and keeps developing till the end of pregnancy. This is a real photo of a 5-week-old fetus. We cannot see any human features. Scientists say that most animals' fetuses look the same by this age. Thus, the embryo didn't acquire any human form yet. We don't see any ears, eyes, skin, nor bones. This fetus is 41 days old, with no human features yet. Now it is 44 days old. Look how it has taken the human shape. Its eye and ear holes are being formed. Scientists also confirm that the age of 42 days and after is the separating line between the uncharacterized phase and the phase that follows, in which the fetus takes the human form.
للإبداع مداد.